Thank you again for joining me for Amazon Sellers Breaking News. My name is CJ Rosenbaum. I'm one of the two founding partners of Rosenbaum Familaro, the law firm behind AmazonSellersLawyer.com. While our website is down today, which is making me a bit stressed, it is still the #1 depository of free information for Amazon sellers anywhere on earth. Now, I have 5 breaking news stories today. The last one, please watch this through the very end. Amazon's dirty tricks at arbitrations is my last breaking news story. So, first breaking news story, and stick around for the last if you want to know about Amazon's dirty tricks. #1, intellectual property right complaints and obtaining retractions, okay? Now, the number of complaints are skyrocketing by brands large and small, which we're going to talk about, but also our ability, the speed at which we're getting retractions is also incredibly fast. It's as if corporate America is waking up to the fact that they can knock out third-party sellers, but they also have people on staff to do withdrawals faster than ever. The way we do it is by first sending a letter explaining why our sellers are not violating anyone's intellectual property rights, that the complaints are entirely baseless. Then we try and negotiate a retraction. Often a seller will agree to stop selling a product, especially if it's not particularly profitable, in order to get a fast retraction and a fast reinstatement. This is hitting sellers large and small. If you receive an IP complaint, address it right away. Don't wait until you are suspended. It's better to deal with it when it's not an emergency. Second breaking news story, again, it has to do with brand protection and IP complaints. Major automotive manufacturers are going after Amazon sellers. There's litigation in the Northern District of Illinois, which is the federal court in Chicago, and also Toyota has now started making complaints. The Audi and Volkswagen lawsuit had some merit because sellers were using Audi and Volkswagen logos on keychains and that sort of thing. Toyota's complaints seem to be baseless because it just has to do with compatibility with various Toyota products and cars. But automotive manufacturers are going after Amazon sellers. Okay, brand protection and third-party sellers. If you're a private label seller, this is good news. If you're solely a third-party seller and you don't have your own brand, which I believe you should try and develop, this is bad news. The complaint system on Amazon has been made slightly more robust, and also Amazon seems to have devoted a lot more resources to it. The complaints are being acted on much faster than we have seen in a long time. So it's bad if you don't have your own brand. It's good news if you're a third party, if you're a private label seller and you're protecting your own private label brand. Okay, fourth breaking news story, and we're going to get to Amazon's dirty tricks in a few moments. The fourth breaking news story, the first plan of action, that first swing at the plate, that first proverbial bite at the apple is more important than ever. We're seeing a tremendous change where either you're getting reinstated on that first plan of action or is taking a lot more effort to get you back on. So if you're writing your own plan of action, check out our website once it's back up. Find out how we do it. Write a persuasive, well-supported, and concise plan of action the first time at the plate, and it really will set the stage for the entire reinstatement. But we're seeing that as more and more important than ever. Okay. Sellers fighting back. If you have been accused of selling counterfeit products and you didn't do it, you have to contact me. And just like I promised you a few moments ago, the last breaking news story today has to do with Amazon's dirty tricks at arbitration. My law firm and my team here and our managing attorney, Rob Siegel, handles 75% of all the arbitrations against Amazon in behalf of sellers. And we know this from Amazon's lawyers. That's what they say. Now, the dirty tricks I want to talk to you about is that Amazon's counsel is trying to stop us from calling witnesses to back up our sellers' stories, okay? They're trying to stop the arbitrators from learning the truth about how Amazon treats sellers and Kindle authors and private label brands and even major brands. They don't want the arbitrators to get the full story, and they are trying to stop us from calling witnesses. We're confident their efforts are going to fail. Amazon is also trying harder to not disclose their systems and not disclose documents. They're fighting us on the documents we're seeking from them. And last but not least, that when Amazon received decisions from a case manager that it didn't like, they secretly sent a 40-page letter to the American Arbitration Association trying to get a case manager removed because they didn't like that case manager's decisions. If you want a copy of this letter, we have it posted on our website. You can look at it. You can email me and I will send you a copy of it. But Amazon sellers, I think you need to know about some of the dirty tricks that Amazon is trying to pull at arbitrations. If you'd like to learn more about taking Amazon to arbitration, if it refuses to return your money, if it refuses to send you back your inventory, if you're an Amazon vendor and they continue to order products and didn't pay you for them, contact us for a free consultation. Also, please join my partner, Anthony Familaro at Midwest Ecom on July 19th and 20th. Please join both of us in Las Vegas for ASD, IRC, Hickory Flats, the Internet Merchants Association in Las Vegas on July 28th and 31st. And private label sellers. Private label sellers, you must diversify the source of your products. Look at India first. Check out sourcing from India, Amazon FBA private label sellers. It's a Facebook group. It's absolutely tremendous. The organizer is world renowned at helping sellers learn and helping you source in India. Is a fantastic country to source from. There is no trade war against India. Thank you for watching Amazon Sellers News, and join me again this time tomorrow for the breaking news from Amazon sellers from our 10,000-foot perspective, from helping thousands of sellers and reinstating tens of thousands of listings every single year. We are here for sellers.